So we're going to wrap up on finishing up the last two slides here using word art. And on slide 12, you'll do one more thing. So for use word art to articulate one goal, go to Insert, Word Art, and type in what you want. So I want to make Dean's List. Hit Enter to save. Okay, cool. Not bad, but depends on what you're writing. It could be much longer. So one thing you'll notice if you go back and double click, if you want to make this and break this up into separate lines, what you can do is just simply hit Shift Enter, and that will make it two separate lines. Hit Enter, and now it's broken up. Totally up to you what you want to do, but just a couple different ways in which you can use, or at least format your word art. Now the second part asks you to change the color and font from the default. So you're going to notice it pops up in an Arial and kind of this gray look. So as long as your text box or your word art box is selected here, go up. You can change the font to whatever you want. Maybe you want to go back to Fascinate. We'll use this one here. I like the Bangers one. Rock Salt's also a good one for this type of thing. And I'm going to change the color and the fill. I'm going to make it a purple, and I will change the border to a yellow for Ashland. And now I have my Ashland themed word art. And the last slide, number 12, asks you insert a picture of yourself, add a thought bubble, and ask a question you have about the class. So the first item is to insert an image. I'm going to go ahead and upload from my computer, from my desktop, and I have a picture of me on my motorcycle in Colombia. Now the next thing I want to do is add a thought bubble. So to do that, I go back up to this area where the shapes are. But instead of doing just shapes, what I do is I go down here to callouts, and then I can add any different type of text box that I want. We'll go with this one. Type in our text. Why can't I teach this course from the beach in Colombia? Right? Wouldn't we all like that? That's it. There you go. You're done. You can change the font in here if you want. It's up to you, whatever you want. It's no big deal. I'm not worried about that. If you want to do that, you certainly can. Change the font. I'm sorry, the framing of it as well. Fonts over here. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. That's how you do this and how you complete the rest of the scavenger hunt.